Hello, friends. Good morning. What inspires us to achieve something in our life? It could be an ambition, it could be a challenge, what we take to go towards our goal. It could be our role model who inspires us to go and achieve our task. It could be our parents, it could be our siblings, it could be a teacher. So there'll be so many people who inspire us all the time to move forward and achieve success. But there are also different sources of inspiration which we need to look for to achieve something. So, what are the different sources of inspiration? The first one is we need to decide on something. That is a very powerful source of inspiration. We need to decide about something. Unless we decide, we'll not be able to move forward. Unless we decide on working on some task, we will not be able to do anything to move towards the task. Unless we work on deciding something which we need to create or do some inspiring thing which will help others, we will not be able to move forward. So we need to work on our decision making, and that is one important source which pushes us forward to get to some point. The second source is planning. Unless we plan something, we'll not be able to reach our destination. We need to have a very proper, perfect plan to work on something. If we have to build a building, we need to have a plan. If we are planning to go somewhere outside to some tour or something, we need to have a proper plan. We need to plan everything properly at every step. So planning is very important. Third thing is beginning. This is a very important source of inspiration which we need to work upon. We have decided, we have worked out a plan, but somewhere we need to have a beginning. We need to work on our beginnings. We need to let go everything whatever has happened in the past. Some good things have happened, some good things, yes, you should always carry it forward, but any bad thing which has happened, we need to let go and start a new beginning. We need to start a new day, a new life. Everything starts with the beginning. We need to have a push. We need to work on a new beginning where we can think of a productive life. Fourth thing is, fourth source can be progression or progressing. Whatever we have learned, we need to think on how we are, or we need to understand how we are progressing towards our goal. Unless we have a progression map or we understand how we are progressing, we'll be stuck somewhere. So somewhere there is a kind of a pull which pulls us or pushes us towards our goal. So that is a kind of a very important source of inspiration. Unless we see ourselves progressing, we will not be able to think about the future. We need to have definite landmarks which will show us that we are progressing. So fourth one, progression, is very important. Fifth one is achieving. You might all have a very kind of a good source of inspiration when we achieve something, when we create a mark for ourselves, we reach on the top of the mountain, or we won a match, we have written a book, we have achieved a task. So whatever we achieve, that is one source of inspiration. Always a very a definite or a fantastic source of inspiration is achievement. Whatever we achieve, we feel so good, we feel so proud of ourselves. So these are the five sources of inspiration which we need to have, so that we can have a plan to achieve and plan to move forward. If you like this video, please let me know through your likes, and also I am available on YouTube. Please subscribe my channel so that I can share more of such important videos for you. Thank you.